Hello and welcome to the second video of the big project. I try to get the whole Italian line. One line of the Italian, not every line. We start after the very cheap, but I think not bad intro.
So, the first round, we start only tier 2, that's good. Okay, let's go. Who are you? Oh, you are not very beautiful. But when you are a good tank, that doesn't matter. Bro, what the? Huh, here are you again. I like you because you are so unperfect. Hey, I want to hit you. You can't hit me. Oh, you hit it. Maybe I can get damage there. Oh, hello? Oh, yet. How? He can hit me. 100 damage are blocked. Damage again. And you did 10 damage. And you did a little bit more than 10 damage. Again. Oh, that's not good. Shit. I can't go away. My chain is done. Ah, no. I really wanted to win this round. And my teammates are also not the best. It's okay. But we are losing. On the hill there's a light. Come on, do it! Oh, the light is down. Oh, did it hit? Bro, so I ate something in the waiting time. But now another round. And there's tier 3. That's not good. We have a better gun. Okay, let's start this round. I hope I get some damage for the experience points, and I hope I win. Oh, I'm so fucking slow. Okay, there is no enemy. On the other lines are enemies spotted. Oh, there are the first. Come on. I don't will take a shot. Bro, don't drive away. I want to take a shot on you. You can spot me. Oh, you spotted me. Go away. That's not very good. There's another tank. There are some tanks driving too. And I go away here. My team is losing. And I don't want to die. It's not good that I'm so fucking slow. They are faster than I. Bro, what is this for a hole? I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Oh, come on. I don't want to die. I don't want to make damage. I want to win. That's a good position. Hello? Bro. Thanks. Thanks again. Bro, no. Only one. Only one. You are too much. Ah, I said it. My team is losing. Bro. What? How can you lose so fast? I swear 20 seconds ago we are winning. But now I go.
Okay, we don't have any bots. This game loaded 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So this will be bots, I think. But there are no bots. No bots. But why the game load so long? And there are tanks of tier 3. I don't like this. They are much stronger than I. The tanks, not the players. I hope. There are enemies. I can hit them. Yes, damage. Oh, again? Nope. And there are other tanks. Nope. Nope. Oh, teammates are dead? What have they done? How can you die so fast? Yes, damage. Peek. It's bounced. I don't like this. Help me. Oh, he's going back. Okay, I can use my chain. But I think I go a little bit back. They tried to get the base. I have to go there and help my teammates who tries to get the base protected. Not get the base. Ah, 6 mates death. Thanks. Oh, but 5 enemies are dead. That's not bad. Now our 7 mates dead. Teammates, can you please do something? I don't like what you do. But our base is safe. I want to have damage. Give me damage. Give me more damage. I want to have more damage. He's died. I want to have the kill. You stole it. But my teammates are very good. What have they done? Now we have 3 kills more than the enemies. Huh? How is this possible? Not bad. We are going to win. Wonderful. Only 3 enemies left. Can I get some damage? 250 damage are not much. Oh, hello there. I will kill him. I will kill him. He's died. Yes. We won. We have enough XP for the next tank. 200 are missing, but I have much gold XP, so I can use this. But we are done with this tank. So in the next video we start with the tier 3 tank. Ciao.